In this video, the right hand is going to have a pentascale on the white keys. I can move it around. The left hand is going to have a triad, which is a traditional 3-note chord, every other tone, played as a block in this case. That is a D triad or an F triad named by the leftmost note, every other note for 3 notes. A G triad and its corresponding pentascale. I'm going to start on A. So the two concepts that I'm combining to improvise with, the right hand gets pentascale material, the left hand is going to have block triad. And I'm going to create some sort of melodic fragment up here. Let's say I do something like this. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to move to F. Same figure, G. Going to E. Going to go back to A. I'm going to go to F. Going to go to D. To G. Good. I can move that anywhere. I could go to C. Now this block doesn't just have to hold. I could repeat it. Go to A. To D. Etc. It could repeat more frequently. It could be played something like this. I could move my melody up to this E position. Same position, they're both on E. E. I just moved it up an octave. To F. I moved this way down here, deeper and darker. I'm going to go to the G position. How about if I move everything down? To A. Back to G. Okay, etc. Now, does this have to be some steady sort of pulse like that? It doesn't. It could have its own rhythm. So maybe we do something like this. I'm going to come back to my A. Okay, sky's the limit. Block chord in the left hand, pentascale melodic idea in the right hand. Give that a shot.